Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade country thyme easy guide. Start by dissolving the country thyme powder in a small amount of warm water to avoid clumps, then add cold water and ice, stir well, and taste. If you want it sweeter, add sugar or simple syrup gradually, stirring until balanced. Serve chilled in tall glasses with lemon slices and mint for a refreshing finish. For ingredients and tools, gather country thyme powder, cold water, ice, a pitcher, stirring spoon, measuring cup, and optional sugar or lemons. Dissolve powder properly by mixing it into a little warm water first to prevent graininess, then add cold water and ice. Simple syrup mixes smoothly and makes adjusting sweetness easy. Fresh lemon slices or mint are optional extras that lift the flavor and presentation without adding complexity. Begin by dissolving the recommended amount of country thyme powder in a small cup of warm water to eliminate lumps, then pour into a pitcher. Add the remaining cold water and plenty of ice, stirring well for at least 30 seconds to blend flavors evenly. Taste and adjust sweetness slowly with simple syrup or sugar until it pleases you. Chill a few minutes and garnish with lemon or mint before pouring into glasses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.